In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an ad video in Wave.video using templates. We'll walk through the process from landing on the site to polishing your ad with text, audio, logos, and captions so you can get a professional looking result without starting from scratch. First, open your browser and head over to Wave.video. This is the platform we'll use to build the ad. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Create option. It's the starting point for any new project and a quick way to jump into making your video. Inside the creation area, choose templates. Using a template is a huge time saver because it gives you a ready-made structure, animations, and design choices that you can customize to fit your brand and message. Instead of building every element from the ground up, you can focus on tailoring what's already there. Next, navigate to the Ads and Promo category. This section is designed specifically for marketing content, so you'll find layouts optimized for grabbing attention, showcasing offers, and highlighting a call to action. It's helpful to think about where your ad will live: social feed, stories, or website, and choose a format that suits that placement. Now select an ads template. Browse a bit and pick one you like. Pay attention to the style, pacing, and aspect ratio. If you're aiming for a bold announcement, choose something with strong typography and quick cuts. If you want a more refined feel, go for a clean, minimal template. Choose the one that best matches your brand's tone and your audience's expectations. Once the template loads, start editing anything you need. Replace placeholder text with your message, adjust the colors and fonts to match your branding, and swap media where necessary. If the template includes scenes, check each one to ensure your message flows clearly from hook to offer to call to action. Keep text concise for readability, and make sure key points appear on screen long enough to be understood. If your ad relies on timing, nudge clip durations and transitions so the pace feels just right. You can add texts, audio, logos, and captions to elevate the result. For text, use hierarchy, headlines for impact, subtext for details. For audio, select background music that complements your message, then lower the volume so it supports rather than overwhelms. Add your logo in a consistent position for brand recognition, and use captions to improve accessibility and watchability on mute. Captions also help viewers follow along quickly, especially on mobile. When everything looks and sounds right, that's it, you're done. You've created a polished ad video in Wave.video using a template tailored to your brand and your audience.